a thin good layer of the condensed glue gels. We're going to start with the red one first. I love this all-in-one Christmas all-in-one kit. This is really cool though, because it has pretty much of a lot of cool fun charms and kawaii for holiday. So I'm gonna do it just like either you're gonna do it diagonals, or if you want to do, you can do it ombre though, you know that? Like literally you can do ombre and the white one. But I'm gonna show you on the angle. So with this, we are going to add the no wipe top coat on the top. I'm floating it on. All right, let's see what we have in here. So of course, we're going to open that shortly. But I'm going to pick cute little reindeer. And then we're gonna do is kind of a diagonals like angle right here. So I'm gonna pick up some of really cute designs and then colors from this. I'm gonna stick with this two color. This, if you are going to just stick with the traditionals like Christmas. I love this one. It's really cool. It has gradualies of a smaller size from the SS3, SS3, SS4, SS6, SS8, SS10s, SS10s, 8, 10s, and 16. So you can using gradualies of a different colors. I do like it a lot though. And it's easy to use, so you know where the extra one come in. And use this to shift it. All right, I'm gonna add some more. My green one. And you can add beads on as you prefer, okay? I just want to have a half of this and half of that. Shift it. And I am go ahead and add some of the red in here randomly. Okay. And now we're gonna start sprinkle just one more. All right, looks really good by itself already, but we're gonna add some Diamond Dust Pixie. Hold the tray and open the lids. Oh, this is so adorable by itself. And we're not going to sprinkle on whole nails. We're going to do just right here in the angle. So I'm not just going in angle. try to get just right there. And make sure you are going to pat it to tape it in the frame of the nail so then it will not hanging on the clip right there. And then we'll have some extra that is sprinkled in here. I'm gonna just remove those unless you want it to be in there, but I'm gonna just get them completely removed. Okay. And then wipe them off on the side. And then if you are doing a gel polish, if you want to get a red background, it looks good too. Just give it more dimension. All right, so now if you're happy with this, we are going to cure. Let me adjusting it. For 60 seconds.